Today we're working on a Chevy Equinox. This happens to be a 2011 model. And what we're doing today is we are removing the airbag. Now the first thing we have to do is disconnect the negative battery cable from the battery and wait a minimum of 2 minutes before we can work on the system. Now to remove the airbag, we're going to use this small screwdriver. I don't know, it's about 3.5 inches long or so. And we'll rotate our steering wheel till we find the access hole in the back. There it is, right there. Now what we want to do is, when we go in there with the screwdriver, we want the screwdriver to go in on the top so we can pry down to release the spring that holds the airbag. So we'll go in there all the way down with the screwdriver, and okay, so got to find the top of that spring. Oh, I got it. Alright. So we want to hold that in place so it doesn't pop back in, and rotate the steering wheel 180 degrees, and then we'll find another access hole. There it is. Do the same thing, try to find that spring. We want to get on top of it so we can lift it down. There it is. Okay. When you insert the screwdriver on top of that spring, you can see forces it down so you can get the airbag out. Now to remove the connections on the back of the airbag, we'll lift up on this little lock right here. And then remove it like that. And they're all off. So that's all there is to removing an airbag from your Chevy Equinox.